Are you managing a complex, high-traffic corporate site? Then you already know that keeping everything current, optimized, and actually driving traffic can feel like a full-time job. And guess what? Even massive, well-known brands make some pretty common SEO mistakes. At Fuze7, we help enterprise companies untangle their web presence and turn it into a growth engine. So let's break down 7 of the biggest SEO mistakes large brands make, and how to fix them before they cost you traffic, revenue, or reputation. Mistake number 1, treating SEO like a one-and-done project. Many big companies invest in SEO during a redesign, then walk away. But SEO isn't a checklist, it's maintenance, it's momentum. The fix? Schedule regular audits, keep content fresh, and track rankings consistently. It doesn't need to be overwhelming, but it does need to be ongoing. Mistake 2, ignoring your crawl budget. Search engines have a limited amount of time to crawl your site, so don't waste it on duplicate content or outdated pages. Use tools like Google Search Console to spot errors, fix broken links, and focus crawlers on the pages that actually matter. Mistake 3, overlooking mobile. Yes, even in 2025, a lot of enterprise websites still feel clunky on mobile, with slow loading, hard to navigate, and not built for fingers and thumbs. The fix? Responsive design, compressed images, simplified menus. If it works beautifully on a phone, you're golden. Mistake 4, neglecting internal linking. You might have great content, but if it's buried 3 clicks deep with no links pointing to it, it's practically invisible. A good internal linking strategy connects your best performing pages to your hidden gems, helping both users and search engines find more of what you offer. Mistake number 5, chasing keywords without considering search intent. Just because a keyword gets traffic doesn't mean it's the right traffic. You've got to match what people are actually looking for. Map your keywords to the customer journey and build content that meets them where they are. Mistake number 6, forgetting about local SEO. Yes, even for national or global brands, local search still matters, especially if you have physical locations. Create optimized pages for each location. Update your Google business profiles and make sure your contact info is consistent everywhere. And finally, mistake number 7, letting your content go stale. We get it, you're creating tons of content, but don't forget your older posts. Outdated stats, broken links, or old product info can hurt rankings and trust. Refresh that content, update it, expand it. A small tune-up can often outperform something brand new. So here's the bottom line. Big websites come with big opportunities, but also big responsibilities. SEO isn't about chasing the next shiny trend. It's about building a strategy that supports your business as it grows. If any of these issues sound familiar, it might be time for a smarter approach. At Fuze7, we help enterprise teams simplify, scale, and succeed with a full-service digital strategy that includes SEO, content, creative, and analytics. Want your website to do more than look pretty? Let's make it work harder for your traffic, your leads, and your bottom line. Reach out today and let's turn your biggest digital asset into your biggest growth channel.